Keeping chickens is a rewarding experience. It's not just about the fresh eggs, but also about the joy and satisfaction that comes from raising these delightful creatures. Watching them roam freely, pecking at the ground, and interacting with each other can be incredibly fulfilling. It connects us to the land and provides nutritious eggs. These eggs are not only fresher, but also often more nutritious than store-bought ones. The vibrant yolks and rich flavors are a testament to the care and natural diet our hens receive. Just like us, our feathered friends benefit from a natural approach to health. They thrive in environments where they can forage and engage in their natural behaviors. This not only keeps them physically healthy, but also mentally stimulated. Instead of relying solely on commercial medications, many chicken keepers are turning to natural remedies. These remedies are often gentler on the chickens and can be just as effective in maintaining their health. Plus, they reduce the risk of chemical residues in the eggs. These time-tested solutions use the power of plants and other natural ingredients. Herbs like oregano, thyme, and garlic have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. They can be easily grown in your garden and used fresh or dried. These remedies can support the overall well-being of our flocks. A healthy diet, clean living conditions, and natural supplements can lead to vibrant, happy chickens. This holistic approach ensures that our hens are not just surviving, but thriving. One such remedy, a fermented garlic and honey tonic, is a favorite among poultry enthusiasts. This simple yet powerful mixture can boost the immune system and help ward off common illnesses. This potent elixir harnesses the natural goodness of garlic and honey. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, while honey is a natural preservative and immune booster. Together, they create a synergistic effect that can greatly benefit our chickens. These ingredients offer a wide range of health benefits for our chickens. They can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance the flavor of the eggs. Regular use of this tonic can lead to healthier, more resilient flocks. Easy to make and even easier to administer, this tonic is a must-have for any chicken keeper. Simply mix crushed garlic with raw honey, let it ferment for a few days, and then add it to your chicken's water or feed. Your hens will love it, and you'll love the results. Before we embark on our tonic-making adventure, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need just 3 simple items: fresh garlic, raw honey, and filtered water. Choose organic garlic for optimal quality. Organic garlic is free from harmful pesticides. Raw honey, unpasteurized and unfiltered, is bursting with beneficial enzymes and antioxidants. These are important for your chicken's health. Finally, filtered water ensures purity. It prevents any unwanted chlorine or impurities from affecting the tonic's potency. With our ingredients prepped, we're ready to create our magical elixir. Creating this potent tonic is a straightforward process. With just a few simple steps, you can make a powerful health-boosting remedy right in your own kitchen. Begin by peeling and crushing about 15 cloves of garlic. Garlic is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to boost the immune system and fight off infections. Add the crushed garlic to a clean glass jar. Make sure the jar is sterilized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from interfering with the fermentation process. Next, pour raw honey into the jar, completely covering the garlic. Raw honey is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent addition to this tonic. Leave about 1 inch of space at the top. This space is crucial as it allows the mixture to expand during fermentation without overflowing. Fill the remaining space with filtered water, leaving 1 inch of headspace. Filtered water ensures that no impurities interfere with the fermentation process. Stir the mixture gently to combine the ingredients. This helps to evenly distribute the garlic and honey, ensuring a consistent fermentation process. Secure the jar loosely with a lid. A loose lid allows gases produced during fermentation to escape, preventing pressure buildup. This allows gases to escape during fermentation. If the jar is sealed too tightly, it could potentially burst due to the pressure from the gases. Place the jar in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks to ferment. The cool, dark environment helps to maintain a stable temperature, which is essential for proper fermentation. After 2 weeks, your tonic will be ready to use. You can store it in the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process and extend its shelf life. Enjoy the health benefits of this homemade tonic by taking a spoonful daily or adding it to your favorite recipes. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, is a powerhouse of health benefits. This tiny bulb, often overlooked, packs a punch when it comes to both flavor and medicinal properties. From ancient times to modern kitchens, garlic has been cherished not just for its taste, but for its remarkable health-boosting qualities. For chickens, garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, antiviral, and antiparasitic agent. This means it can help keep your flock free from harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites without the need for synthetic chemicals. Farmers have long known the benefits of adding garlic to their chickens' diet, and it's a practice that's gaining popularity once again. It contains a compound called allicin. Allicin is the key to garlic's powerful effects. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin is released, transforming the humble clove into a potent health ally. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. This process activates the compound, making it ready to deliver its benefits. The more finely you chop or crush the garlic, the more allicin is produced. Allicin is what gives garlic its distinctive smell. That pungent aroma is a sign of its potency. While the smell might be strong, it's a small price to pay for the health benefits it offers. It also gives garlic its health benefits. Allicin has been shown to have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, making it a versatile tool in maintaining health. Garlic can help boost the immune system. A strong immune system is crucial for chickens, especially in preventing common diseases and infections. Regular consumption of garlic can help keep their immune defenses strong. It can also improve respiratory health. Respiratory issues are common in chickens, but garlic can help keep their airways clear and reduce the risk of infections. It is a natural wormer. Parasites can be a major problem for chickens, but garlic can help keep them at bay. Regularly adding garlic to their diet can reduce the need for chemical wormers. Adding garlic to your chicken's diet is a natural way to keep them healthy. It's an easy and effective method to ensure your flock stays in top condition. Whether you're a small backyard chicken keeper or a large-scale farmer, garlic can be a valuable addition to your poultry care routine. So next time you see a bulb of garlic, remember its mighty benefits and consider sharing them with your chickens. Honey, a golden liquid gold, is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Raw honey is teeming with enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins. These can strengthen the immune system of your chickens. Honey also possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties. These properties can help prevent and combat infections. Honey can soothe sore throats. It is a natural energy booster. The combination of honey and garlic creates a powerful synergy. This synergy enhances the overall health and vitality of your flock. Serving up the tonic, a guide for poultry parents. After fermenting for at least 2 weeks, the tonic is ready to administer to your chickens. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve. This separates the liquid tonic from the garlic cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of the tonic to 1 gallon of your chicken's drinking water. Replace the drinking water daily with a fresh batch of tonic-infused water. This ensures that your chickens receive a continuous supply of the tonic's goodness. Observing the results: happy hens, healthy eggs. As you incorporate the fermented garlic and honey tonic into your chicken's routine, you'll likely observe positive changes. Their combs and wattles may appear more vibrant, indicating good circulation and overall health. You might notice an increase in egg production. The eggs themselves may have stronger shells and richer yolks. These are all signs of happy and healthy hens. Beyond the tonic, embracing organic practices. The use of this natural tonic goes beyond simply improving the health of your chickens. It represents a commitment to organic and sustainable farming practices. By utilizing natural remedies, we reduce our reliance on commercial medications. These commercial medications often contain chemicals that can be harmful to both the environment and our health in the long run. Organic practices prioritize the well-being of our animals and the planet. A toast to healthy hens and sustainable farming. In conclusion, the fermented garlic and honey tonic is a testament to the power of natural remedies in poultry care. By embracing organic practices and incorporating this potent elixir into our chickens' routine, we not only enhance their health and well-being, but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-conscious approach to farming. So raise a glass, or perhaps a freshly laid egg, to happy hens, healthy eggs, and a brighter future for sustainable agriculture. Cheers! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on boosting your poultry's health and sustainable farming practices. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive deeper into organic remedies and innovative farming techniques. Together, let's make a positive impact on our feathered friends and the environment. Until next time, take care and happy farming.